My first question will go to NGI Grand Winner, our queen, Emma Diglao. So what's the best thing about winning 2025 MGI, and as well as winning the heart of the Thai people, most especially your best friend now, Miss Gachabel?
The best thing about winning is when it is shared. It is because of the Filipinos' support, the Filipinos who believed in me, and the Filipinos' bayanihan. I think pinakamasarap is when we got the historic back-to-back victory. I myself, I didn't expect it. That's why ang dami nang meme na lumabas dun sa aking reaction, no? Yun siguro yung pinakamasarap when you made history and you touch lives and hearts of the people, not only of your people, but the international fans, especially the Thai fans. Kapunaka. And also, I'm grateful, kaya naging magaan yung journey ko with Miss Grand International. It's also because of my roommate, Gachabel. We just had this healthy competition. We just enjoyed every moment, and I'm happy to share not just the room, but also the stage with my roomie that we are the last two standing during the grand coronation of MGI.
Thanks so much and welcome home again.
Thank you, thank you.
Message again. Joke lang! Hi guys! I'm Maria Gigante, and I will be proxying for today's open forum, our favorite part, where all of you get to ask questions to our beloved queen. Please state your name, affiliation. Oh, which one first? Oh my gosh. Okay. Can I come back to you? All right, hold that thought. All right, name and age, and just kidding, affiliation.
Hello. Hi, Mr. Nawat. I'm Kiko from
Go, Papa!
Radar Philippines. Hi. Welcome to the Philippines again. My question is, how do you feel that you produce more popular women than the universe?
You kill me by question. Okay, I'm very proud to be like a beauty pageant contest by the fair pageant. Most important is not the winner. Most important not only the crowd. Most important, we are very sincere to welcome delegates all around the world to MTI. Even Miss Universe as well, I try to help them much as much I can. But I promise for all Filipinos and I promise for the pageantry fans around the world, I will stand for the fair pageant at every time I work it. And I would like to give a good opportunity who are ready to work. But by the way, who unplaced or not going to get the crowd. That means it's a lot of value for us. But the crowd only one. So my mission is I would like to produce the beauty pageant contest like MGI or any platform. If they want some help from us, I try to improve and keep our standard to help all the girls that they have dream come true. So this is my mission. That's why you asked me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Papa Nawat. And without a doubt, you have picked the best partner in the Philippines. Wow! Louder!
MTI! MTI!
Is that the best you can do?
MTI!
I know. Gutom na ba kayo? Okay, next question. Okay, and your judge is?
I'm Jerry Donato from the Philippine Star. Congratulations to everyone, but my question is for Mr. Nawat.
Papa,
We love
you're
you.
famous!
We love you, Sir Nawat. I'm just interested to know what's going to be the future of your franchise, because MGI has established itself as an emerged, not no more emerging, but an emerged beauty international pageant.
Okay. For our franchise, the franchise fee is not most important. I tell you very sincere, but it's very important, but not most important. But not most important. Why? I want the quality of the company, each country, to make a contest, national contest. Most important, national contest must be very most important. That's Mr. Ano. He make it. Because I would like to share our mission of MGI to every country. But I would like to see the national contest is very fair contest. Because the fair from the beginning I can carry to the end is fair. This is the most important and other important, our franchise must be success by the business too. Not only just for fun, only for the beauty contest, national contest. Thank you so much for the big sponsor to Mr. Arnold too. Thank you so much. Yes. If no sponsor cannot be a successful every pageant, national pageant. So my mission is I want to let Mr. Arnold and other country that you watching right now to make a little more bigger, more important and very fair pageant in your country. This is the most I like. Money, of course, everybody wants it. Everyone to do a profit. But that is the later. If you make high standard, the profit and money come through exactly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you, Papa. Oh, we have a question from Miss Diane Castillida.
I would like to ask Miss Thailand and Emma. You know, Miss Thailand and Emma, you're now starting to look alike.
Twins. Couple.
What? What did she say?
Twins. Sorry. Sorry.
But you know, I think that, don't you think that Miss Thailand should be in the Philippines more? Because you're very sweet.
Oh, you're so
Very
sweet.
sweet.
Salamat po.
Yeah. So my question is, you were roommates in Thailand for Miss Grand, right? So what was your secret? What did you tell? What was your strategy for both of you? Because you were the last two standing. What did you do to be able to become first runner-up and she the champion? Can you share maybe for the future MGI contestants? They would like to also be first runner-up and winner.
Thank you for the question. Sham, help me please.
What? You didn't understand?
รู้สึกยังไง Okay. Okay. I learned to speak English more and more and more, but I try. I will try. I think she is deserve it because since I know her, I met her. Woo! Thank you. She very option. She has very option.
Very what? What's
Full
option?
Full option.
What?
Talented.
Oh, talented.
She can dance. She can sing. Dance. Okay. Yeah. Show please. Do majale. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do majale. Sorry. No, you ผิดท่อน No. No, not you. I mean they. Oh, yes. Not good. เป็น do.
โอเค
5, 6, 7, go. Do. มาจาเลยดูมาจาเลยดู Hey, do. มาจาเลยดูมาจาเลยดู Hey, มาจาเลยดูมาจาเลย Okay, done. Now continue your answer.
dance, right?
So, wala kaming mic, kayo ang magkakanta ha. Tum, tum, tum. Tum, matali, tum. Okay?
Wow, bravo! Wow, amazing. Thank you. You should come here more. Emma, grabe ah. I think that every time your roommate, I think you will win all the time, right?
Miss Dayan, I think it's more on the healthy competition that we had during that time. And I think the secret and the strategy that we had is we just enjoyed it, right? We just enjoyed every moment, every event. Yeah, we're just happy.
Before I finish, I Thank you พี่แชมป์คะหนูขอพูดภาษาไทยแล้วฟังพี่แชมป์พูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหมคะ เพราะว่าหนูอยากบอกทุกคนจากใจจริงๆว่าหนูไม่เสียใจเลย เพราะตำแหน่งที่หนูได้รับก็ มีค่ามากๆแล้วหนูก็มีความสุขมากๆกับแฮปปี้กับตำแหน่งตรงนี้ค่ะ จังหวะที่จับมือมีแค่คิดนิดเดียวว่าเรายืนผิดฝั่งหรือเปล่า เพราะว่าประเทศไทยเราถือเคล็ดว่าถ้ายืนฝั่งเนี้ยจะเป็นฝ่ายชนะ แต่ณวันนั้นเราก็รู้สึกว่าไม่มีอะไรที่ต้องค้านสายตาเลยเพราะว่าเอมม่าเหมาะสมทุกประการค่ะ
Okay, so just.
Are you understand?
Do you understand?
Thank you.
Okay, I think you should try to speak English. Yeah, I think they understand.
Huh?
What do you mean? Yeah. No, I mean you try to speak English. It's your own
You
way.
can, you can.
That's why.
You can do that.
That's fine. Okay, bye.
When I speak English, I feel final day, you know?
On the final. Okay.
Final day.
And then.
You can do that.
Go
You can
ahead.
do that. Okay.
When hold a hand, how you feeling?
That day, final day, when I standing and touch her hand,
Hold.
Hold hand.
Yes.
I think, hey,
It's wrong side.
it's wrong side. Because Thai people think if stand here, no winner. But if stand here, she winner sure. And that day, oh my God. How? Emma, concept. She very happy. She very happy because เราคิดไม่ถึงอะ
Not expect.
ฮะ
Not expect.
not expect what that God I not expect to last two is yes is my roommate. Oh thank you and อยู่นั่น พอพิธีกร
When the
announce
host announce.
Miss Grand International
Yes.
2025 is Philippines Emma. She put my head and my hand is side and in my hand me. Yes และทั้งหมดนี้
Okay.
at all
That's all.
is
Is.
my feeling yes
What are you feeling?
อ่ะนี่แหละทั้งหมดนี่คือ
Happy, right?
happy
Oh, you're
yes
really
happy
She is
happy
to be in. Yeah.
happy I love my crowd I love this position.
Ah.
First, runner-up Miss Grand International 2025.
Wow.
And congratulations, back to back.
Oh my gosh, Mr. Nawat, my next question is for you. No, I have, what do you make these girls drink that they have this kind of energy and humor? What is your secret potion? Oh, no, it's only afternoon, no drinking, right? Grabe, ang saya-saya. We love you, we love you. Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you, Miss Dayan.
But you know what, my serious question for you is, I remember for so many years, and all the fans will know this, the Philippines never wins a Miss Grand. Remember? But now we have a back-to-back. Amazing. So, how did it change? What happened? How did we change?
We don't change anything. Mr. Arnold changed a lot. No, not from me. Believe me. Because of the quality of the beauty queen from Philippines, that they are prove themselves back to back. As I told you many years since you had my license, could you please find a good girl, the strong girl, and ready to work? It's almost many times. Filipinos got first runner-up, I think 2 times, and some top 5 so many times. But it's almost at any time past. I would like to have one. It make it clear to be a victory of the winner without any reason. So that's why I'm waiting for. And 2 of them are the best version for Filipinos. And I know what you want to ask. I think you are going to ask back to back. Is it possible? I know. When you have 1, you want 2. When you have 2, you want 3. When you have 3, you want 4. Never enough. Never enough.
So I just want to ask, what is the special quality of the Filipina Miss Grand International winner? What can you say about CJ? And you've been with Emma for more than 1 month. Please tell us.
Okay, first of all, I think it's when she's traveling around the world, she must be beauty immediately when the people watching on her. She's so beauty to of Filipinos on the stage. You see how beautiful, so beautiful, and the body. You see, stand up to show the body. 2 of you. You see, even they add a lot during the time like CJ, but work out and try to control everything the same. Yeah, they are so lucky how to make it. Yeah, very good body. And the brain, of course, she know everything. But she don't know about me much, okay? Sit down, have a seat, please. Okay, the most important is she must working by herself. This is the most important. I don't want to let anyone taking care of her all the time. Okay, I will give them like makeup artist, hairstylist, and 1 assistant traveling around the world. But I don't like the girl that needs so many things during the rain. It make us the problem and make the franchise country is problem too. And it's not like a role model of the young girls stand for themselves. This is the most important. And I can say you very sincere. All of them, they are real. They are the real woman. They are the real woman on earth. They are the real but good quality. We don't want to put the beauty queen to the angel state in the heaven. We cannot touch them. They cannot do anything. Just smile, just walk, just acting. But I want the real like this. This is the real. She can go, she can eat, she can dance, she can sing, she can make a joke. Sometimes too much, nah? Of course, we can improve together. She will have a big movie. Yeah. The movie launching 4th of December. You have to follow her. One of the popular movie in Thailand, and she will go to many countries else. And also, she will help Emma to be a movie star too. I would like to ask everybody now. She launching the first series already. Yes. Did you saw? Yes. She look very high society woman, drive Porsche, something like that. This is the thing that we want to collaborate and work with together. This is the value of the beauty queen. Not just like, not only the crowd and then smile and then so many problems around and then so many people taking care too much. We don't want to lose. We want to get more profit from the real girl. That's it. That's why the quality of Philippines.
So you have no problem with CJ and no problem with Emma and no problem with Chabel?
No problem. I'm very happy to work with all the Filipino. I'm very sincere. I feel really comfortable, you know. You know my story, right? You know, last month, the whole month, I am really a lot of pressure on me. So I don't want to talk much, even though the new storm coming to me, okay? Now the storm is gone, huh? Okay? Now it's my area is much more happy. Happy, huh? So, this is the first country after my storm coming to my life. So that's why I feeling so much happy. I come back to my position. This is the MGI. The quality of the girl most important and entertainment too. Thank you so much again.
Thank you so much, Papa Nawad. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 more questions. Who is our next taker? All right, Madam, you waited quite a long time.
For Emma, hi. Hello, this Tenten. We describe Miss Grand Philippines 2025 as a perfection. Your journey there was perfection. Now, how will you describe, for a better word, your Miss Grand International journey?
I think it's not just about perfection, it's about a queen who is willing to grow, willing to learn, and willing to love everyone. Because right now, what's happening around us is so cruel, you know? It's not all about good. And what we need to be is to be an inspiration, is to be a source of goodness and kindness. Kasi wag na nating dagdagan pa. So I think what we need right now as a beauty queen or as Miss Grand is to be a woman who is willing to do everything. Willing to grow, willing to learn, and willing to love everyone.
And that's why she inspires all of us. Jello, you have a question? All right, don't worry, we'll be giving everyone a chance to ask questions. All right, you first and then you.
Cesar po from the 25. My question is for Emma. During your journey in Miss Grand International, we know na there's something happening in the country. Paano naka-apekto sa iyo yung mga nangyayari dito sa country natin? Doon sa paglaban mo sa international. Kasi that's bad news. Paano mo tinatanggap? Paano yung pag-take?
Alam mo, sabi nga kanina, di ba, there's always a reason why God put us in this situation. And I am happy and I'm grateful that I have people around me to keep me updated on what's happening. And one of that is, well, we know what's happening to our government. That's why I included that to my speech. Siguro naman, with that platform, I used it correctly. Other thing is, during the time when we experienced typhoon and earthquake, especially with the people on the Visayas part, and if you watch my closed door interview, I also ask the prayers of the people para sa safety ng ating kababayan. So, it is just how you will use it correctly, where God put you. Diba? Pag nilagay ka dyan ni God, it is up to you on how you will bloom and how you will use it in a right way. So I hope wherever we are in our life, may we are a beauty queen or we are somebody, there's a reason why we are there. So I hope that you will inspire and use that position that you are correctly.
Thank you, Queen Emma. I actually saw you post that. You had a beautiful gown, and you were saying one of your posts was like, on the day of the flood, you posted and you said, although I'm grateful, my heart goes out to the Cebuanos, and that meant a lot because in this trying time, after the earthquake, after the flood, sometimes that's all we need.
Yes,
Right?
and especially Maria, I just want to gusto ko lang i-take your opportunity with this one because we all know MGI is also about business. That's the other B. And we use the live that we did for a cause and donated for our kababayans in Visayas area. So yun yung sinasabi ko, we just need to use the platform that we are given in the right way. Diba? Like for a cause.
So smart, so smart. Thank you, Queen Emma. Let's welcome our next question.
Hi Emma, welcome back. I'm Jo Lopez from Pageant Noble. So my question is for you. So women are still experiencing degradation, disrespect, and violence worldwide. So what is your message to misogynistic people who have been doing these actions against women?
First, women should speak up. Women should know their worth and their value. It doesn't have to be like talk to them directly, but I hope that people who do bad things to other people will learn. Because like what I've said a while ago, we're experiencing a lot and we don't want to put gas on the fire itself. Diba? Ang bigat-bigat na ng nararamdaman natin. So sa mga simpleng bagay, sana wag na nating palakihin pa. Yes, women can forgive, but they cannot forget. But I hope that they will not do that again. I hope that we will do good and be good to everyone.
Wow! Corona na naman! I believe we have a question from Adam. Oh! Peter first, alright. Hi, Peter from Critical
Yes,
Beauty.
from Critical Beauty Philippines. My question is for Papa Nawat. Yes, Papa Nawat. I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah. We would like to congratulate you for hosting Miss Universe. That was an splendid job. That was extraordinary. But what can you say about the results of Miss Universe?
I would like to say the beauty queen, thank you for your question. I think it's on our part, I doing the host country for Miss Universe. I do a lot of things since day one until 20 days pass. But the result only from the Miss Universe organization. I cannot touch, I cannot do anything. I never know about the result before. That's why I cannot say anything, but I accept the result because of the result it means already finished. But by the way, depend on our pageantry fans. If you agree or not agree, you have your voice. You have your own opinion. I always accept every opinion. And we will see continue because it is only the second or third day after crown. We still have more than 300 days to approve. Is it true or not? What you thinking about and how she carry the crown. This is the most important. That's I told everybody, even my MGI, when she won, she got a crown on her head. It not that mean a success. The success is during the time of her reign. 365 days later, that it much more value to improve. Who are you and how much value of you? So if you don't agree with the result, we are respect your opinion, your voice. But for my side, I don't have any idea because I wait and see until next year coming up. I do hope she will success. But at this moment, let she approve herself. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Papa Nawat. And now a question from Adam Hinato, I believe.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for Coach Abel and Emma.
Ever since, for the past few years, a lot of Filipino pageant fans and Thai fans have enjoyed the fondness of Thai and Filipina queens in a pageant together. Bordy, Emma Bell, Ate Sabina. What do you think are the qualities that gravitate a Thai and Filipina candidate together in a pageant like Miss Grand International?
Jack and Boy. No, 1, 2, 3. No, Adam, I think it's how genuine you are towards each other and the people around you. Because people know kung gaano ka-genuine na pinapakita mo sa kanila. And I think yun yung napapakita ng bawat isa. Yung Thai and Philippines, ganun nila kamahal yung isa't isa. Siguro hindi nila pinapakinggan yung ingay sa labas. More on, mas pinapakiramdaman nila kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. And if we are genuine towards each other, nagra-radiate yun. Kaya nagugustuhan ng mga tao. Kasi totoo lang kami. Ito yung personality namin. This is how we love each other. Ganito katindi yung friendship na meron kami. So yun lang, it's more on the genuineness.
Beautiful. Our next question is from... Alright.
We
love... Sorry. Shatter. We must never forget Conchabel. I'm very sorry, my dear. Yes? What's your
Again?
answer? Final day.
We live each other. Yes. We love each other. Yes. Between Philippines and Thailand. Thank you. Stop the war and violence.
Oh, diba? Touching message, my punchline. Who is the next question? Okay.
Good evening. MG Cortolaba of NewsABS-CBN.com. I'd like to throw my question to Emma and CJ. As beauty queens, not all days are good, but what is your happy pill?
Coffee, of course. Our happy pill for me, it's my family. It's whenever I think about my grandest whys. The reason why I keep fighting, I keep pursuing my goals, and that is the secret, I think. That is where you get your strength, on the reason why you are doing what you are doing.
Well, that's actually true. I have to agree. You really have to surround yourself with people who supports you, who loves you, gives you, and brings out the best in you. I think that's the only way you can truly surpass any obstacle, any, stumbling in life. And there's gonna be a lot of difficulties, that's true. Any problem will incur in your life anytime, and you really have to be ready with that. But if you are surrounded with the right people, you'll be able to beat any of it.
Absolutely. Very true. Very true. And thank you, Tito Arnold, for always putting us in the right environment for us not just to survive, but thrive in spite of all the challenges. Thank you so much, our queens. And can we have another question? Last question. Papa said last. One last. All right.
Hi Emma, John Ray here. Congratulations and welcome back.
Thank you.
You immediately started working after you won. So, kamusta so far yung iyong work experience in Thailand?
Grateful and honored, especially when I was included during the Miss Universe activities. As a pageant, aspiring beauty queens before, no? Ang pangarap lang natin yung parang makapunta rin sa iba't ibang beauty pageant, makapag-host ng international pageant. And I was happy and honored to do it during Miss Universe activities with the help of MGI. Imagine I hosted 2 gala dinners and met 100 plus beautiful ladies from around the world and combined Miss Grand to Miss Universe, yun doon talaga pinapakita na it's not about the title, it's about sisterhood. Yun yung pinakamasayang experience, and I'm happy when I'm working there because I just want to thank also the Thai fans. They're very generous, very kind. The way they welcome me is also the way you welcome me, Filipinos. Parang hindi ako na homesick kasi nandun sila. Grabe yung pagmamahal na binibigay nila. Kaya I'm grateful for that po. And sabi ko nga sa closed door interview ko, kaya siguro din tayo pinanalo, no? Ready to work, born ready.
Sabi nga ni Papa, you know everything. She knows everything.
Maliban lang sa kanya. Di bali, aalamin pa natin para makakuha tayo ng back to back to back.
Back to back to back. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your last question. Now, Queen Emma, Philippines, are you ready to hear Emma's introduction as the crown queen of MGI, the iconic? Are you ready? Would you indulge us,
Of
Queen?
course, of course. But before I will do it, I would just like to thank everybody. Maraming salamat po. Ilang beses nyo na ako pinaiyak, pero siguro yung lesson na pwede kong maihatid sa inyo through my journey with this one, you know that I've competed many times, I've placed runner-up many times, but this time, our not yet became finally. So I hope you will also not give up on your dreams because soon, your not yet will also become finally. So this is my introduction, but I need some, I don't
Ayan! Ang ganda ng mic stand mo, girl. Are you ready, Philippines?
Okay lang ba sabayan niyo ako para mas marinig ni Papa na wag baka mamaya, di ba? Bigay niya yung isa pang corona.
O, gusto mo ng countdown pa?
Okay na, okay na.
Okay, sige, go!
Emma Mary Tinglao, Miss Grand International! So one and only.
Wow! Thank you so much, Emma. Thank you, CJ and Coach Abel. To everyone watching, remember that you are witnessing history in the making. And with that, I'd like to thank our friends from the media and, of course, our